Hello everyone, thank you for watching. I'm trying something a little bit unusual today. I've got two coloured paints. I've got a turquoise and I've got red. I have them mixed now. There's a little bit of pouring medium mixed in with it. It's mostly just water and paint though. The red is different. It's got silicone oil in it, but the turquoise is meant to be the background for this painting. What I'm going to do is I'm going to soak, I'm trying this, just experiment, just an idea I had. I'm going to soak these pieces of wool. Each of them are numbered. I've got 6 of them with the number. I'll put it down so you can see it because my hand is shadowing. Number 1, number 2, etc. They're all labelled. I'm going to soak these in the red paint with the silicone oil in it. I'm going to pour after I'm finished soaking them, I'm going to lay them down in random patterns on the dry canvas. Then I'm going to pour the base over the top of them and then just remove them by their numbers. And then I'm going to burn in with the heat gun, which is here, and see what sort of effect I get. It should be interesting. I'm looking forward to it, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to literally dunk these things in. I'll start with number 6 if I can find it easily. There's only 6, how hard can it be? I'm going to keep the, just drop it in, there we go. In it goes, leave the number out. I'm just going to press it down into it. And leave it there for a minute or two. Okay, number 6 is in, perfect. Okay, I'm back. They've been soaking for maybe a minute or two, probably long enough, I think. So as I put them in, number 6 down to 1, I'll now take them out of the bowl by the numbers 1 first. Okay, I just have to find that again. So where are we? Number 1, there we are. Okay, out it comes. Okay, perfect. And I'm just gonna randomly drop it across this painting and leave the number outside. Number 1 first this time, so that'll be the last one off. Number 2. Number 3. Sorry, I got a bit of a head cold. It's a nuisance. Oops. Sorry for banging it off that thing. Okay, 3, 4. Let go. 5. This is a slightly longer one. Okay, it should be interesting. So I'll start over there, just lay it down. And 6. So 6 will be first off, working backwards. I've probably gone a little bit too much even, but we'll see. Anyway, it's okay. We'll just have a go with it anyway. It's just an experiment, right? There we go. And just let it lie for a moment. And here we go. Okay, the base goes on. The base is going to be a little bit tricky to apply, but anyway, let's see how it goes. Okay, that's all the base I've got mixed. Hopefully it's enough. Now, the usual, just move it around the edges, try and pick up the sides. It's nice and loose anyway, it's good. Okay, I'm just going to put it down. I don't want to lose too much paint. And I'll touch the sides with the spilled stuff. With my finger fixing. There we go. A little bit left, maybe I can get out of it. Just for that corner. Okay. That looks pretty decent, I think. Almost. Okay. Haven't seen this side. There's a little bit to fix on this side. And that corner over there. Okay. Now, I just need to, next time I try this, I'll mix up more base. I just need to have probably twice as much base so I can be really heavy with the pour. Okay, so the first one off is number 6. Isn't that what I said? So, I have to find it. 3, 4, so it's over to the side somewhere. There it is. So 6, off you come. Just drop it. 5. 4. I saw 4 over here, I think, yeah. 3. Oh, there's a number here, I can't see what it is. It's after getting covered in paint, so I'm gonna have to wipe it, hang on. I'm pretty sure that's number 2, so I'll leave that there. No, that's number 2, so I'm in a bit of bother. Let's see, where are you? Haha. That has to be that one. Okay. It's not. Look at that little side. Where's it gone? Oh, okay. So it's that one. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. And then that one. Just drop it. The next one, the last one. Oh, that's what I did. I put it down on top of the cup. Okay. Okay. It's fairly straightforward and simple idea. I haven't executed it quite as I pictured in my head, but that's okay. Let's just see what sort of effect I get when I turn the heat gun on it. How do I turn that up again? It's just a simple idea, and it's got possibilities. If you do a cleaner pour than I did, where you get more defined lines, you could get something interesting, I think. Okay. Okay, I'm pretty happy with how this has turned out. My next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to very slightly tip it. Just stretch it out a little bit. Not too much. Okay. I'm going to quickly wash my hands, but I think I'm probably more or less there. Okay, let's hit it with the gun one more time, give it one more pass. Not much more reactions, that's fine, but at least there's no air bubbles. It should dry nice and smooth, and we'll see what happens. And if I'm not happy with it, I can always throw another translucent layer on top of it and work again and have a fantastic base painting. But I think this looks really nice. I hope you like it. It's a simple idea, something I've never tried before. I don't even know how I had the idea. It was just something came to me out of the blue, and I said, the next painting I do, I'm going to do this. So I hope you like it. It's kind of a cool painting. Please God, it'll dry nice now anyway. Anyway, listen, thank you very much for watching. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted a video in a while, and it's nice to have something interesting and successful to show you. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.